Okay, so Grandma Ray is back. Alright, so again we're gonna make beef teriyaki kebabs. No, not beef teriyaki kebabs. Wrong. Sirloin steak kebabs. I had a big senior moment on that one. Okay? Alright, sirloin steak kebabs in the air fryer oven, okay? So here they are. I already made some up. I left one to show you how to make, okay? So we're gonna have a total of 8. In this I bought one sirloin steak that was $9, and I made 7 so far, and I'm gonna show you how to make one more. Let me give you another view. Okay, and this is the kebab stick that came with the air fryer oven. Okay, if you don't have an air fryer oven, let me show you one you can buy from the store. It just doesn't have the hook on it, but it's the same. You can get this at any grocery store, Walmart, anywhere. Okay, so you can still use the same sticks if you don't have it. If you have an air fryer and yours of course is smaller than what I have, then you can get you're gonna have to find, they have some that's half that size. You're gonna have to find that, okay, and use that. If not, the only other thing you can do is you can bend this in half to shorten it, but don't break it off, okay? Just bend it in half and use it like that, and then you can utilize this, okay? If you're strong enough to do that. I don't know, I'm not. Okay, so we're gonna make the kebab, okay? So the first thing I want to put on here is, and it doesn't matter, you can put it on any order you want to put it on, okay? But whatever you do, do the same on all of them. So I'm putting a pepper on. I put a green pepper on, and I'm gonna put a piece of meat, which is the steak, the sirloin steak, a tomato. I got everything cut up into cubes. You just push it right through. Now I'm going to add an onion, and then we're going to keep repeating the process. Again, here we go. So see, that's what we have on so far. The peppers, green pepper, the steak, the tomato, and a piece of onion. So that we have all 8 here, okay? So we're going to divide 8 into $9, and each person would probably get, I would say, 2 kebabs. Alright, so we'll divide that later and see what that comes out to. I already oiled my rack. Let me shut this and turn the light on because I need to see. Okay, so the rack is all already oiled with olive oil, and let's just line them up. We're going to put 4 on a rack, 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. Okay, let me let you get a view of that. Okay, we're going to put them in. I'm putting this one on the closest to the bottom, the first notch from the bottom. Okay, and I have another rack here already ready to go. And do the same thing. Okay, and that's our second rack. Okay, now we're gonna go up the slot second from the top. I'm gonna put it on. Okay, great. Now we're gonna shut this. My door handle the screw came out of my door handle. The screw is there, but it is not attached to this handle anymore. So I'm still trying to figure out how I want to handle that. But I just wanted you to know, in case you see me opening it from the side, that's why. Okay, so we're gonna cook this on, 370 is good for the temperature. It's already on 370, and we got it set for 15 minutes. Let's go with that. Okay, and off we're running. Okay, set for 15 minutes on the temperature of 370, and I'll be back. Thanks. Okay, so our time have stopped. So we cooked the sirloin kebabs a total of, we started with 15 minutes and we added another 10, so a total of 25 minutes. And we have 2 trays with a total of 8 kebabs. Oh, I gotta get my door fixed. Okay, so let's take it out. Oh, beautiful. See? Nice, right? Okay. Let me get a plate and put that on. Okay, let's see if we can get a picture of this. Sirloin steak kebabs. How about that? Huh? Good, huh? Wow. And let me see if I can get in the picture. I don't know. Let's see. Here we go. I need to tilt it some. Beautiful, huh? Okay. I'll step back some. My head is cut off. There we go. How about that? Sirloin steak kebabs. Yum. Okay, so let me show you how we're going to serve that up. So we're going to put that right on the plate like that in the middle. So you see what I did? I put it right in the middle of the plate on a bed of rice. Okay? And now let's add some, I cooked some, the excess peppers and onions that was left over after I cut everything, cut them all into these little pieces that I was going to put on the kebab. This was the excess pieces that was left over. So I cooked that on the side. And let you get a view of that. How about that? Huh? You see? Good job, right? Okay, so let me take a taste and let you know what I think about it. So the kebab, you're just gonna slide it right off the stick onto your plate. It'll come out pretty easy. There we go. So this is what it looks like when I took it off the stick. See? Okay, so let's take a taste. So I'm gonna get a piece of meat, some steak, some rice, and some peaches. Delicious. Really good. The steak is still tender. It was sirloin Angus beef, so that's a pretty, that steak is pretty tender. When you see the word sirloin, usually you don't have to do a lot of chewing. I'm going to give the word of the day. Okay, so I think the word of the day is going to be, try to improve your life one day at a time. You know, you didn't get where you are overnight. Everything happened one day at a time. So if you want to, I don't know, improve your house, improve your looks, improve your hair, improve your job, improve your education, whatever it is that you want to improve. Start planning it out first in your head, then on a piece of paper, and then some action. Okay? And try to achieve your goal one day at a time. I know you can do it, and yes, it's not going to be easy, but at the end of it all, you're going to be happy that you did. Okay? So go ahead. Improve your life one day at a time. Alright? Okay, share the video. Now you know what else you can do with a steak other than just cooking the whole steak. Okay? We had 8 steak kebabs out of that. That's pretty good. So if you have a family of 4, everyone gets 2. That's a good deal. Okay? And I'm going to let you do the math today. I paid $9. We had 8 kebabs, so you got to divide $9 into 8, and that's what it cost you. Well, you got to multiply that by 2, don't you? Yeah, because each person is going to get 2 kebabs, and that would be your cost. Okay? So you do the math today, alright? Alright, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play. Thank you for stopping by. It's a pleasure serving you, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful holiday. Keep it real. Bye-bye.